What's up, YouTube? Show you my welding table. I just got it all cleaned up. It's been sitting for a while, but me and my buddy made it. I'll explain them once I get everything set up, why it's on rubber bushings and why it has vibrators on it. I'll tell you the story then, but for right now I'm going to use it as a welding table. 1/4-inch plate. I move it around with the forklift. I want to put it in the center of the garage so I can be able to move around it. Just wanted to share it with you guys. See that little pedal over there on the forklift? That's what runs the vibrators. Stay tuned, guys. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.